This is the now modernized service elevator at the dining hall at St. Vincent College in Unity Township, Pennsylvania. This cab service is really worn out. It's got a pink lantern. On the tunnel level. This is originally a late 70s Westinghouse with EPCO fixtures, CL fixtures, but now it's been modernized by Otis. It was modded not long after I did. In fact, the permit was already approved. Is the door gonna close? Come on. There we go. Go down. You're at the tunnel level. Bump. There's a machine room that's not open like it was last time. Back up to upper level. This door takes forever to close. Basic paper green original Westinghouse cab. The lighting's a little brighter, but other than there's only railing on that side. That's weird, but it's the same cab. Didn't even redo it. You're back at the upper level. I'm not going to bother watching because it's going to take like a minute.